And then in a mini bag, this was actually the first thing I purchased because I thought they were all full price, and then they said buy two get two, so I ran back and bought these 4 things. Hey guys, you have McGann, and you want to guess what's in my Ulta bag today? That's right, the Avengers collection, or at least most of it. The only things I didn't get were the lip glosses and the really big makeup bag, but let's get in here and show you this stuff one at a time. I thought this bag was too cute. It's absolutely marvelous with Captain Marvel, Captain America, Black Widow, Iron Man, and the Hulk. And I like how you kind of get the hint of their faces, but you never really get their whole face. Like, it's cute. And we do have the gold zipper and the gold plating around the top, but inside it's just this almost navy kind of blue. And then I got the larger cosmetic bag, which has the little handle on the side, and also a zipper with, again, just the inside is just kind of the navy blue color. There's no pockets or anything in it. But I do love how on the outside we have all these different superhero logos, and they're kind of smeared, or it's like it's been rained on and it's made out of chalk. It's a really cool kind of effect. I really like that. And it does seem like the pattern is randomized on this one. So if you want a specific look or a certain hero's icon front and center, you might want to pick this one up in stores. All the little ones with Captain Marvel in the front seem to be the exact same design though. And like I said, there was a bigger bag, but I didn't get it because I was doing this as part of the buy two get two, and yes, the Avengers stuff applies for that. I was amazed too. But because of that, I had to cut myself off at 8 items, and I went for the ones that gave me the best value. And I also had to have the Ulta Beauty Marvel Avengers eyeshadow palette. But I gotta say, I don't love the packaging on the eyeshadow or the highlighter palette because it just doesn't scream Avengers to me. I mean, if you look really closely, we've got these periods with the Avengers logo, and then of course it says the Avengers on the top of the palettes. But other than that, you have to really open them up to see anything with the Avengers on it. So it's like you're low-key an Avengers fan and you don't want people to know you like Marvel, so this is the palette you get. I feel just the opposite here. I want the outside to have all the logos, and I want the inside to have the messier, watercolory look. But we do have some really nice colors. A lot of them are glittery. I think Amazed and Supercharged, Reassemble. Those are the only ones catching my eye without glitter. And the colors are Hero Vibes, which I think is Iron Man, Amazed, Out of This World, Smash, obviously a Hulk color. I've got this, Built for Battle, Legend, Last Shot, Gauntlet, Game Changer, Save the World, Supercharged, Cosmic, Reassemble, and Fearless. I think Fearless might be Gamora because it's like extra glittery and a dark green. But other than the packaging not being Avengery enough for me, I like it. I'll do swatches for those in a separate video because swatches for eyeshadow just take forever. We have a Stronger Together highlighter palette to match the Courageous, Tenacious, Fearless, Legendary palette. Ulta Beauty Avengers on the back. And then we've got the hidden I Like Avengers section on the inside. And these highlighters are all super sparkly with Prepare to be Amazed, Become a Legend, Best Never Rest, and Visionary. I wonder if Visionary is for Vision or Doctor Strange. And then in a mini bag, this was actually the first thing I purchased because I thought they were all full price, and then they said buy two get two, so I ran back and bought these 4 things. But we've got some really cute Avengers liquid lipsticks, and if you're like me, I only ever saw the lip glosses, and I hate lip glosses because they tend to be sticky like forever, and that's just gross. So I bought all the different colors of lipsticks, and I will try those out for you, little swatchies today, if I can just Hulk these open. I can't Hulk it, I just gotta rip it. But yeah, this purpley color is called Supercharged. And I will just swatch you right here. So that's Supercharged. Then we've got this brownish tone called Out of This World. Trying not to get too much. So I assume this is either Guardians of the Galaxy or Thor themed, but yes, we've got the brown. Then we have super crazy red called Amazed. Man, usually I can just rip right through these seals, but it's just not having it today. So this is Amazed. Really bright red, like a Snow White kind of bright red. And then we have this kind of nudish pinkish color called I've Got This. Yeah, it's pretty nude. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll do the highlighter and the eyeshadow in a separate video because it's just so long to do those videos. But thanks everybody for watching. You've been listening to McGann Ramble On. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that jazz, and we'll see you next time!